This week's Multiple Choice Monday is about chemical calculations, moles and Avogadro's constant, and it should be a fairly quick one to go through. So, key bit of this question is that we have been told that we have 1 mole of a substance, ethanol, and we're asked how many hydrogen atoms. So, a mole responds to the smallest sort of particle, whole particle of a substance. So what that means is that 1 mole of ethanol molecules, how many hydrogen atoms are there? So what we need to know is how many hydrogen atoms are there per molecule. So in 1 molecule, there are 6 hydrogen atoms. So remember that moles are sort of not conserved, they're just a way of counting things. So in 1 mole of ethanol, we can have different numbers of other substances. So 1 mole of ethanol will contain 2 moles of carbon atoms and 6 moles of hydrogen atoms and 1 mole of oxygen atoms, because we're talking about individual pieces of that molecule. And therefore, 1 individual molecule will contain 6 hydrogen atoms. So then we need to make the link between the number of moles and the number of actual molecules. So 1 mole of C2H5OH, we need to use Avogadro's constant, 6 times 10 to the 23, because this is just 2 significant figures. So you may know that there are more numbers after that, but that doesn't matter. Whoops, bit of a typo there. So Avogadro's number tells me how many molecules there are per mole, or it could be like how many ions per mole. It depends what it is we're counting. In this case, ethanol is molecular, so we're counting molecules. So that's how many molecules there are, and then we need to just times it by 6, which gets us our answer of D, 3.6 times 10 to the 24 as our number of individual hydrogen atoms. If I wanted to know the number of carbon atoms, my answer would be C, 1.2 times 10 to the 24, because I've just timesed it by 2. If I wanted to know the number of oxygen atoms in 1 mole of C2H5OH, that answer would be B. So, if you want any more revision materials, particularly practice calculation questions, head over to my website where you can also sign up for my free chemistry revision club. It's all by email, completely free, and it's just weekly content, different videos, different practice questions, things like that. I'm also running organic chemistry classes. At the time of recording this, they are 2 weeks away. They are free and they are about 60% already signed up for the live classes for my class limit. So get on for those. If you can't get onto the live class, you can still get a recording. They are for year 13s looking to do their exams in the summer to help with organic chemistry. And of course, subscribe to my YouTube channel and you get new videos every single week.